guys, it's me, Gamer Sarah _ So today we're doing a Bloxburg Roleplay with my friends, with my sister / cousin Emily. Say hi, Emily.
Hi.
So yeah, and so this is only the beginning. So yeah, I'll go back with you. And disclaimer. Hello. Okay, so we're back, and so today we're gonna be doing an evil princess with a maid. So I'm gonna be the maid, and she's gonna be the princess.
And I'm evil, but my mom's nice.
Yeah. So yeah, and I'm also gonna be the mom, cause
she's just voicing the mom.
Yeah. So yeah. So okay, let's start this roleplay. Don't go in there.
I love this place. During those comments, I was supposed to call him. Well, I wasn't supposed to.
Get out there. Okay, let's start the roleplay.
Make me some food.
Wait, okay, let me restart my recording.
Sit down.
Hi, maid. Hey, princess. I did not just call you the maid.
Did you? I'll forgive you only this once. Never again, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to go to my room.
Alright. Would you like anything to eat?
I would like some donuts, please.
Okay, I'm gonna make some donuts.
We're doing the rope tie.
So there is some leftover donuts. I'm gonna eat this donut because I want to make a fresh one.
Wait, what does the arcade mean again?
Away from keyboard. Okay. Let's make some donuts. Sprinkled donuts, her favorite.
I'm bored. I want to read. I want you to read me a book. Mom, it's evil princess world, and I'm a maid princess.
My lady, I'm making the donuts.
Thank you. And now, when you're done, I want to eat. I like this. I'm going to my secret place.
Wait, can I go in there? Oh, one day I'm gonna look inside there. Hopefully, it's not that bad because I always see a red light, but like I guess it's like kind of quote unquote aesthetic. Like she said, always see me. She yells at me saying, "It's an aesthetic room." My princess, the donuts are ready.
Okay, you can go up to your room.
Would you like anything else?
My maid.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you.
All
I
right.
can take myself.
I'm gonna steal a donut, but she's gonna. She doesn't see me eat the donut. These are so good. Oh my gosh.
Wait. Never mind.
All right. Do you want me to do your homework like I always do?
Yes, please.
All right.
And make sure to get them all right.
I will. Does homework, okay? I'm done, ma'am. Would you like to see it?
Yes.
Where are you? Oh, here you are. Here you go.
Now put it in my backpack.
All right.
Backpack, please. I want
Puts in backpack. Okay.
Next time my mom was here, Mom, I want the new phone. Okay. Mommy, can I have the new phone?
Of course, sweetie. What about you?
No, sweetie.
Oh, okay.
And then I want it to be like rose gold grass.
No, sweetie. You got literally 10 iPhone XRs 2 weeks ago.
Mom, but I want the new iPhone. And then I get color. You're so mean.
Fine, sweetie. You can get it.
Thank you. I want 10 fun.
What? 10?
I will never say that to you because you're not even getting
I feel so bad for the queen. She's so nice, but her daughter's so spoily and bratty.
Wait, can you actually add a dresser?
I will add it later. Okay.
No, because I want to keep my outfit.
Girl, you fine. You look good.
My mom wear this.
All right, I'm gonna go to sleep. I can't sleep. Ugh.
Stephanie never calls me.
I can't sleep.
So I can't talk right now. I just text her. I left the game because Stephanie called me.
I can't sleep. Okay.
Can you?
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna make you breakfast. It's 6 a.m.
I know. I still want a story.
Ugh, so stubborn. I mean, what type of story would you like, sweetheart?
I like the Cinderella story. I want to be just like her.
Well, you're not gonna be. I mean, of course you do.
What did you just say?
I didn't say anything.
That's the last time.
Sweetie, I didn't say anything.
Mommy, she keeps disrespecting me. Fire her.
Maid, come here. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Yes? My daughter said that you were being disrespectful to her. Is this true? No, she said she wants to be like Cinderella, but she will never be like Cinderella because Cinderella fell in love with a prince, and no prince is going to love her. I mean, because that's a fairy tale, you know? I mean, it's true. No prince is going to like her. I mean, okay, continue making the breakfast and stop being rude. Sorry, ma'am.
That's it for her. I want connection. Great.
Oh my God. I'm sorry, ma'am.
I'm not going first one anymore. Right now. Okay, Sarah, go back on the spot.
Okay, I will. I'm just making breakfast, ma'am. When the daughter goes out to the mall with her stupid little friend, I don't even know how she has friends because she's really rich and really stubborn. So I'm gonna set the table because she's upstairs right now.
So let's join a different game because Keith not letting me join it.
We have to stay in the same exact. God, I have to redo the waffles because I really eat all the waffles. So continue with the what happened to the waffles? I have to remake the waffles again.
Bloxburg?
I mean pancakes.
What's your thing? I forgot. So let me carry it. Why did you go with something?
And a little bit of this. Yes,
Okay.
cook queen.
You know
a little
the
more.
cookhouse?
Yeah.
I don't know why. I don't know why it's called Coco. It's because Miguel. Because it's like a barely it's about Coco. It's not Miguel. So it's weird. Girl, come on, let's continue the replay.
I know.
I just want to tour this girl's house. This is. She's AFK. Oh, she's shady. Dang it.
Okay.
Where's Dang? Oh my God, her door's open. Dang it, it's just an empty room. Okay. Oh my God. Dang it. Why is her door open? Oh, girl came in. Wow, she left all of her doors open.
Maybe some watermelon.
Oh my God. This kid knows. Well, one person leaves all of their doors open. Like, and these doors are huge. So don't go.
Okay.
No! Her kitchen
I'm
is
just
a
gonna wait.
restaurant!
I'm just gonna wait till the daughter comes home. A spoiled brat comes home.
What did you just say?
Oh, I think she's home. Her garden is so spoiled. Like,
Okay.
oh my god,
I'm back.
she's so spoiled. I hate her.
The time there was the next day, I started thinking about what I've been doing to you, and then I made breakfast for you.
Wait.
The next day, pretend.
Alright, I better go to sleep now. I'm so tired. It's back out.
Pretend you made all of this food for me.
I made her all that breakfast.
Pretend you went to sleep.
I don't want to sleep.
It's
Easy.
so good.
Wait, don't eat. I'm gonna do like that thing that.
Hi, Table. How you doing?
Alright, go.
Go what?
Say what you say, like, you know, where's the sign of the light?
She made this all for me. Oh. And I never even treat her good. This is delicious. You know what? I think I'm gonna make her breakfast tomorrow. Wow, that was good. I'm going to go to sleep. Don't go upstairs if there's nothing. So I totally did not eat your last taco in your fridge. Close the lights.
Go back up there.
No, close the lights. Don't mix it makes it cool. Power box. And then turn off the lights in the secret room.
You turn them on, okay? Be like, okay.
I think it's safe to go downstairs. In the secret room. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna go get a snack. Wait, I should turn off the lights so no one sees the red. Let's just turn on Okay, I'm still concerning where the light is. I see one. Okay, where's the light placement? Carpet. I think we need someone. Maybe I'll just make a sweet.
What is all this light?
Oh no.
What are you doing?
What? Are you my maid?
Yeah,
Or my mom?
me.
I'm making myself a fruit smoothie.
Oh, well, okay. Go to sleep. We have stuff to do on Sunday morning, okay?
Well, you go to sleep too.
I know. Turn on all these lights, though. It's so bright.
Okay. Like, wait, you would usually get mad if I did that.
Wait, what?
Yeah?
I'm going back upstairs.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Alright. Okay, guys, this is the end of the first episode of the maid series. Bye.